Multiply 1.31 by 100 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. The third partial product is 13,100. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, 1 column at a time. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 1 is 1. In the thousands column, 0 plus 3 is 3. In the 10,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 13,100. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 13,100 becomes 131.00. That is simply 131. So 1.31 times 100 is 131.